Me again. We got my uncle's I think it's a '90 Ford Ranger. It's got the this is a 2.3, ain't it? Got the 2.3 4-cylinder in it with 8 spark plugs, 4 on that side, 4 on this side, and it blew a timing belt yesterday, and we got the new one on. We just crunk it up with 1 spark plug out of the cylinder because we was checking top of the cylinder and everything, and it crunk up, and now we're putting it back in. He's snugging it up right now, and we're gonna bust it off and see if it'll run right. We after we put the belt back on, we rolled it over via the automatic balancer. We rolled it over and we didn't hear anything bend, knock, tap, anything like that. So that was the true test.
We're hoping we got it all right.
Hopefully. Push the wire. This truck has never had a tune-up done. And when we put this motor in, like 2002 or 2003.
That water leak out there?
Yeah, it's looking water bad.
Fix that.
Yeah, those are all hard and brittle and stuff. Got it on it good? Look at it. Just I mean, how hard it was for sure. Is it in there? Wow. Fail.
We did fuck it up.
Oops.
Damn it, Jacob.
I'm sorry. It was hard. I was grabbing it as far down as I could get it.
Something told me not to let you come out here and do that. Are you kidding me?
Nine.
Shit!
You know, it's my camera, right? I got it. Is that seriously cobwebs? Fail.
Well, it'd be alright. It would have done it on me too, so.
I was grabbing it as far down as I could get it to go. I got my fingers right in between the, right by the exhaust and pulled it up. After about 30 minutes. You know, it might work. I don't know, but there's a, plug wire off the, Lincoln back there. Looks like the same. Why does it look like there's cobwebs on it?
We'll go see if you can find a short one like that.
Yeah. I threw one earlier. I don't know where that one went. That's happened to me, I think 3 times now. It's kind of good. Okay. You can't see this. Gosh. I don't think there's any short ones. Oh. These are all oh God, dude. These are all